If you're looking into a patio cover right now, chances are you're already frustrated. Maybe your patio's too hot to use. Maybe it pours every time you want to be outside. Or maybe you already spent money on something that looks good but doesn't actually protect you. And once you start researching, it gets confusing fast. So in this video, we're going to cover what an insulated patio cover actually is, how it handles heat and rain, how it compares to pergolas, what it costs, how installation works, and whether it's really worth it for your home. By the end, you'll know if this is the right solution for your outdoor space. Let's start with the basics. An insulated patio cover is a solid roof system, often made of aluminum panels with an insulated core inside. Unlike pergolas or slatted roofs, this is designed to give you full shade and full rain protection. It's meant for people who actually want to use their patio, not just decorate it. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose an insulated patio cover is heat. Direct sun heats up surfaces fast, and basic metal roof just transfers that heat right underneath. With insulation, you're reducing radiant heat. The space below stays noticeably cooler, even during peak sun hours. That's the difference between sitting outside comfortably or avoiding your patio altogether. Another big concern is rain. An insulated patio cover is fully water resistant. It's designed to integrate drainage so that water is controlled and directed away. That means no dripping, no rushing inside mid-conversation, and no guessing whether your furniture is going to get soaked. Homeowners also ask about wind and durability. These systems are engineered aluminum structures, anchored properly and designed to be permanent. A proper patio cover isn't a temporary solution or a lightweight kit from China. It's built to stay in place and perform over time. Insulated patio cover versus pergola. This is one of the most common questions. Pergolas are great if you want adjustable sun and open feel. Insulated patio covers are better if your priority is full shade, rain protection, and comfort. The right choice depends on how you actually plan to use the space, not just how it looks in photos. Cost always comes up, and the truth is, aluminum insulated patio covers are a higher investment than basic options. Pricing depends on size, configurations, and accessories like lighting or fans. But homeowners choose this option because it lasts, requires very little maintenance, and adds usable outdoor living space. Installation is typically handled by professionals. The timeline depends on the project size, site conditions, but it's much less invasive than a full construction project. Most homeowners are surprised by how quickly they're able to use their space once the installation begins. Insulated patio covers work especially well for pool areas, outdoor kitchens, dining spaces, and entertainment zones. It turns an outdoor area into a space you can actually rely on, not just look at. Permits depend on your local regulations, and that's something your installer can help guide you through. In terms of maintenance, aluminum systems are low upkeep. No fabric replacement, no repainting, no warping. If you're planning an outdoor project and want something comfortable, durable, and usable long-term, this is why so many homeowners choose insulated patio covers. And this job was beautifully put together by Show Pros Florida, one of Azenco's certified dealers and installers. So hopefully this helped you make a more confident decision.